Hey everyone, it's Mark, Skipper Mark. A couple months ago I came home from work and Matt had his truck in the garage. The tires were flat so it would fit and the engine was all apart. I asked him what he was doing and he said he was putting a new camshaft in it. The camshaft he used was actually the one from his Camaro when he did the rebuild on that. He also used the lifters from it. The engine in the truck is a 350. It's from the 60s and his Camaro has a 305, but he said everything would work perfect. They're fully compatible as far as the camshaft and lifters. So I didn't get to see him do that part of the rebuild, but I did get to record him starting the engine for the first time. This video shows him adjusting the timing, adjusting the gas and idle mixture. So if you have any questions, please let us know. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video and have a great day. Thank you.
It'll probably rev up really high because the choke's gonna be on. Yeah. Make sure there's oil pressure. Okay, it's probably not gonna start. I just want to fill it with fuel. 3, 2, 1. If it doesn't start, rev it to like 1500. Huh? Okay, hold on, I'll just get up here. Okay, start it.